What's happening guys? This is Jones from Tech Ambassador and in this video we will be seeing top 5 apps for the month of October. As usual all the links are down in the description box below. You can go ahead and download it. Hope you like this video. Feel free to subscribe. Let's get started. So the first app in the list is Material Notification. And as the name suggests, this app will allow you to customize your notification bar. The app interface will look like this and the first thing that you do is to click on the enable button. So now you can go to the panel theme and select Nougat or Oreo. As my phone is already running on Android Nougat, I'll be selecting Android Oreo. And that's it. On a click of a button, you have your own Android Oreo notification bar. So yes, you can go ahead and customize it to your heart's content by clicking on the background color, the foreground color. For example, now let me select blue, and for the foreground I will select olive green, and for the brightness slider I will select dark green maybe. Yes, that's it. And you can also enable transparency to give it a very cool look. So if I see my notification bar now, I have all the changes that I made reflected on the notification bar. So this looks cool, but it's kind of really blue. But even if I want to make some other changes to the notification bar, for example all the notification that I receive, if I want that to be in orange color or something, or maybe peach color, I can also do that. So this app offers lots of customization because you can see that there are tons of colors to choose from. This would be a very cool option to give a new life to your old navigation bar. So guys, as you can see, there are tons of colors to choose from and creativity is your limit. You can just spend a lot of time and make a lot of changes to your old navigation bar. And if you're getting bored with this, you can just click on disable and you will come back to your old navigation bar. The second app on the list is Health from Huawei, and this is one of the best app for all the health freaks out there. So the interface looks like this and it shows the statistics in the first page. You can go to the second page and click on target and then feed in your necessary target. For example, your fitness goal, you can increase or decrease it, or you can come back and increase the target weight. So I want to increase my weight, so 82. So you can come back and as you can see the interface looks like this, and in the notification bar you get this notification of the steps that you have made and the calories that you have burnt. So this is a very cool trick. You can see it whenever you want, and coming back to the app itself, it will show the calories burnt, the distance, etc. So if I click on the exercise, it will show all the data of the exercises that I have made. So I have cycled also, I have run also, and if I click on any one of them, it will further show the data of all the things that I have done. For example, the map of the route that I took. So as you can see, the map is here, the kilometer. So it will also show the pace, that is the first kilometer in 12 minutes and 31 seconds, and the second kilometer in less than 21 minutes, etc. It will also show the average steps taken, the maximum step taken, the average steps per minute, the stride length, that is 72 centimeter, average speed, average pace, duration, calories burnt, etc. Tons of options are there. It will also monitor your weight and sleep, which is really cool. Hope you are wearing some of those fitness band. You can integrate with this. You can also start a workout by selecting running, walking, or cycling. And then you also have this music button, which is very useful for those music freaks who want to listen to music while doing their exercise. So you can just click on that, and then when you click on the start button, your exercise will start. So let me show it to you. Once I click on the start button, it will ask some GPS permissions. So let me grant all those permission, and once I give permission to this, my exercise is ready to go. So guys, this is a very cool app and I have been using this app since 1 month and I have no problems whatsoever. The third app on the list is Picture This, and it will make sure that you will never ever miss the name of the flower or the fruit that you saw in your morning walk. The interface looks like this, and either you can take a photo or click on the gallery section and choose the pic that you have already taken. So if I click on take photo for example, so it will ask some necessary permissions. Let me grant all those permission, and then if I click on it again, I will be getting this camera interface. So it looks like a flower and it says when shooting be sure that your subject is in focus. So I have this beautiful flower in front of me. So let me tap on it to focus it and take a photo. So once I take a photo, as you can see, it says wait a moment, and my net connection is slow. Sorry for that. And it will identify what flower is that. So in my case, it has given three suggestions, and I'm pretty much sure that it's crepe jasmine. So I can click on that. So once I click on that, it will give me further information about the flower, the Latin name, genus name, family, and it will also show the map of where it can be found, which is really cool. So if I come back to the social section, where I can find all those fellow users who use this app and have taken a lot of pictures about the flowers. So it's a kind of a learning curve. You can learn about them, and you can also come back to the me section, where it will keep a track of all the flowers photo that you have taken. So you can just come back at later point of time and see what all flowers that you have taken or noted down. So this is a really cool app. This is really interesting and promises you something really cool. So just try this out. The fourth app is a launcher for all the pixel lovers out there, and its name is Lawnchair. As you can see, it is a very clean interface, and you have your Google logo over there and the calendar icon, and everything is really simple. You just have to swipe up and you can go to the all apps section, as you can find on other pixel devices. As you can see, it is really immersive, it is really fluid. If we click on the Google icon, you have the search option. If I click on the calendar icon, it will take me to the calendar. Pretty normal stuff. Otherwise, the app is really simple and immersive. But what sets it apart from other apps is the amount of customization that you can do with this app. You can change everything, pretty much everything. You can change the desktop, the dock, the app drawer, etc. For example, now let me use white icon, etc, etc. So I'm just clicking it on random and see what all changes I got. So the search bar has changed. So everything is so much customizable using this Lawnchair app. You can also go to the theme and click on animated clock icon to give your icons a different look. You can also change the shape of the icons that is only found on Android Oreo. You can do that here very easily. So this is a very cool app. You just have to search a lot of things here and do some trial and error to get out the best look that you want for your Android. The last app that we have on the list is called Notin, and this is one of the simplest app that I have ever seen. So once you click on this, all you get is this. It says your text goes here. For example, I want to write something. It's a bit of a reminder kind of thing. So I say thanks again for your time, and then just click on the press plus icon. And once I click on the plus icon, it says hurrah, saved in your notification. So whenever you swipe down your notification, you will be reminded of what you wanted to do. This is a bit of a different kind of reminder because notification is something that we see all the time. So whenever we see the notification, we will remember what to do. You can also save in a lot of notification. For example, let me save some random stuffs, and whenever your job is over, you can just remove it out. So this is a very cool app. Try this out. So guys, if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. If you hated it, vote it down. If you want more top 5 apps videos like this, then stay subscribed. I'll be posting more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching. Till then, it's Jones, and I'm signing off.